Welcome to our first ever cooking episode here on Dang Ol' Outdoors. This is going to be the first time I ever cooked and eaten a deer heart. So I've asked around several people best way to cook a deer heart. I've got several different opinions and different styles of cooking deer heart. And I decided we're going to use a pan fry type method. We're going to be pan frying it in some rendered bacon fat. We got some rendered bacon fat, flour, and some Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. We're going to start by coring out this heart. We've already soaked this deer heart in salt water every night to help let it bleed out. I'm going to try to trim the fat off the top of this heart. I don't know about deer fat in the heart area, but I know deer fat in many other parts of the deer is not very appetizing. Now that we have the heart poured out, we're going to cut this thing up into about 1/4 inch slices and then roll them in our flour and seasoning and get the pan ready for frying. We're going to go ahead and get our flour in a bowl here. Add the Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. We have our cast iron skillet warming up here with a little bit of oil in it. We're going to add the rendered bacon fat into it. While we're waiting on the oil to heat up, we'll go ahead and take these slices of deer heart, which you can see we cut about 1/4 inch thick, and roll them in your seasoning and flour. We should get this oil and bacon fat up here hot enough to actually fry the meat as soon as it hits the pan rather than sit there and simmer. Typically that would be up around 350 degrees. Alright, so now we got the oil hot enough, we're going to take these slices of deer heart and lay them in this pan. Just kind of want to let them brown on both sides, what I understand. You don't want to overcook it, you still want a little bit of rareness to it. No blood, but yet cooked. After they appear to be done, just take them off, throw them on a paper towel to drain, and cool off for a few minutes. They're almost ready to eat.
You want me in the shot?
Yeah, you're gonna be part of it. You're gonna be one of the taste testers.
Yeah.
All you have to do is
Anything.
Alright guys, none of us here has actually ever eaten this deer heart before. Like I say, this is our first time ever making it. So we're going to taste test it and tell you folks whether it's worth eating or not. Who's up first?
I'll get the small one.
We got some dipping sauces here, just experiment with. It's actually really good. I mean, it tastes just like deer steak, if not maybe a little bit better.
It tastes better than deer steak.
I'd have to agree.
I think the heart is awesome.
What do you think, Andrew?
I can't get past it. The fact that it's the heart, man. Oh, it's good. It actually tastes good, but
So you just got a mental issue with it?
I got a very big mental issue with it.
You gotta lean in for the camera and get
I got a huge mental issue
with eating heart.
with the eating.
I mean,
heart.
besides the idea of eating heart, this is actually good. I actually like it.
If you were to tell me that, hey, I got some meat for you, some deer meat, and you didn't tell me the heart, I could eat this easily. Not even thinking about it.
Just double dip that heart.
Yes, I did. I'm not thinking straight right now. All right.
This is definitely something I'll start doing from here on out. Before, I used to leave my heart in the gut pile. That now seems wrong to me. I think this is something I am going to prepare every time I harvest a deer. This is pretty good. Andrew, give us your final.
Oh, well,
Final opinion on the heart.
Let's put it this way. If I were in a situation that I was starving, I would eat it.
Would it taste good though?
Nah, it tasted fine.
You'd have to be starving to eat it.
Yes.
I'm a little salty about that.
It's not that it tasted good. It's the fact that it is a heart.
Which is a muscle.
It doesn't matter. If you would have given me, you would have just said, "Here's some deer meat. Have at it." Not even told me it was a heart. I would have ate all of it. But just can't.
What do you think about it?
It's mental.
I think that's just crazy.
What do you think about the heart though? Would you? I mean, did you like it?
I think the heart was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you try it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I just asked you to cook up more.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to our first ever cooking episode. We'd highly recommend the recipe. Like I say, it was the first time we ever tried it. If you guys have another recipe you'd like to give us, leave the comments below and maybe we'll try that one next time. As always, thanks for watching Daniel Outdoors.
What do you want me to say?